Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Christina Lombantobing, and I'm from Pinus University Information System Department. Also, I'm here with my supervisor. He is Mr. Sunardi. First in first, I would like to express my gratitude to the organizer of ICIMTech for providing this platform to share my research. And today, I have privilege of presenting my paper title User Experience Analysis of Indonesia Trend Booking Mobile Application using User Experience Questionnaire and Usability Testing. My focus on understanding user perspective within the context of mobile booking, trend mobile booking application in Indonesia by combining the methodology of user experience questionnaire with the usability testing. So throughout my presentation, I will take you to see my methodology, the key findings, and also the implication of designing the digital interface. So without further ado, I will show you my presentation of my research. So once again, I will let you know the title of my paper is User Experience Analysis of Indonesia Trend Booking Mobile Application using User Experience Questionnaire and Usability Testing. Through my presentation, I have the agenda, which is I will explain the background, literature review, research methodology, result and recommendation, implication, and also the future work. Okay, I will start with the background of my paper of the research. As we know that trains are widely popular in Indonesia. The significant rise in passenger totaling 6.80 million since December 2019. This accounts for 34% of all public transportation user in the country in Indonesia. As transportation providers use technology to enhance efficiency and simplicity, Indonesian train company is starting to offer modern service through mobile application. This is the layout, the logo of the mobile application KAI Access, which is the official platform of Kereta Api Indonesia company. And this is serving as provider of train transportation in Indonesia. However, on the observation of the applications show a low rating, which obtained 1.6 on the Apple Store and 3.3 and Google Plays as of January 2023. The low rating indicates room for improvement in meeting user expectation for the application. This concern related to usability has been discovered. So the need for usability evaluation is very necessary to enhance customer satisfaction and also user experience. For my literature review, there are user experience questionnaire and usability testing. UEQ or user experience questionnaire is a method for assessing customer usability and experience through subjective surveys aiming to gather comprehensive data. This is involved 26 items categorized into scale like attractiveness and efficiency. Participants usually use a 7-point Likert scale, which is ranging from -3 to +3 to evaluate each item. And then usability involves enhancing user experience and ease of use during design, usually often evaluated through usability testing. According to Nielsen, usability considered by 5 quality components, which is learnability, efficiency, memorability, error, and satisfaction. And here the research activity I've been through by identification problem in usability, and then the UEQ and usability testing. We do the analysis and synthesis and give the UX recommendation. After that, we have the conclusion and suggestion. This is the UEQ research demographic tables. As you can see, we have the profile by gender, age, application usage, and the characteristic. Mostly the participants is from the female with 82.6% and male is 17.4%. And the age variation is start from 17 to 25, which is 90.9%, and from the 26 to 35 is 9.1%. So mostly it's ranging from 17 to 75. Below the 17 and above the 39, we don't have the participants in this UEQ assessment. And also for the application usage, there are variation below 1 year, which is 42.6%, and 2 years application usage, 24%, and more than 3 years application usage is 33.5%. The study involved 2,042 participants for the UEQ assessment, which is conducted during January and February 2023. Additionally, for usability testing, was conducted with 15 user active, representing various ages and occupation, which was done from February to March 2023. And here's the research methodology we use. We start from the UEQ, as you can see on the image. The UEQ comprises 26 items categorized into 6 scale, which is there are attractiveness, pragmatic quality, hedonic quality, with the type of efficiency, perspicuity, dependability, stimulation, and novelty. This UEQ research methodology we use combining with the usability testing research methodology. The study employ the usability testing following the principles by Jacob Nielsen. And here's the table with the task activity for our usability testing for the usability assessment. There are several tasks that the participant need to be done, and they need to complete all the tasks correctly. And by the result, we will get the conclusion, and we will analyze what is the result of their answer. From the UEQ assessment, we got the UEQ result. The result indicates that overall KI access application has good quality, but still needs improvement to compete with the best product. Why I say so? As you can see in the table, we have type of scales of UEQ. There are attractiveness, perspicuity, and efficiency, dependability, stimulation, and novelty. And the graphic here show that the novelty is the lowest score. And also I have the interpretation of the graphic, the diagram. Here's we can see that the attractiveness comparison to the benchmark has a good score, which is 10% of result better, but 75% of result worse. 10% of result better, 75 of result worse. And then there is perspicuity, with comparison to the benchmark has the excellent score, and this is interpretation that in the range of 90 best results, and the efficiency only got the good score. Same like attractiveness, the interpretation is 10% of results better, 25% of result worse. It means we are 10% has the better result. And dependability also, stimulation have the same score, comparison to the benchmark, which is good. And novelty is the lowest score, but comparison to the benchmark, the value is above average, which is mean 25 of results better. And here is the result of usability testing. As you can see, this is the table of satisfaction. The result of satisfaction survey conducted through the Likert scale questionnaire indicates an overall satisfaction. The total is 3.85 out of 5, representing a percentage score of 76.9%. Based on the scoring range of the Likert scale, the result is in the agree category. Here's the result summary that we got from the UEQ and usability testing. From the UEQ, the novelty aspect obtained the lowest score compared to other aspect from the diagram and graphic I have shown you, which is 0.738. This scale measures the extent to which the application is new and innovative. Based on the UEQ benchmark score, a value of 0.738 indicates that the application lacks uniqueness and is less innovative compared to other applications that the user may have used. And for the usability testing result summary, the application obtained a satisfaction score of 76.9%. This lowest average question score was on the first question. I can find the information I need quickly, with a mean value of 3.5. In addition, a relative high error rate of 31% was obtained on this usability assessment. So the conclusion that I can give is the average score of the UEQ result revealed that the application has good quality, but still need improvement to compete with the best products. And these findings also indicate that novelty had the lowest average scores among the scales evaluated. And for the usability testing result, preferred average expect for the learnability stands at 87.50%, efficiency at 87.58%, memorability at 95.83%, error rate at 31%, and user satisfaction at 70.90%. Considering the UEQ and usability testing outcome, it was found that the several aspects needed to be improved, mainly for the ticket search result on the application. And here's the recommendation after the conclusion that we got. Due to the error rates and low satisfaction score on quick information retrieval, the recommendation is to prioritize enhancing the ticket result page by incorporating a feature display lowest ticket price. As you can see on the that you select on the mobile application, you got the lowest ticket price, and also there are best deal recommendation that contribute to the mobile application novelty and innovation. Uh, on the before before this on the UI before for the application, you can see there's no best deal and also the lowest ticket that they recommended. But after we improve the design, we create the new feature for the best deal from the search and the that selected uh, that you input in the application. Next to the implication, for the academic implication, this paper serving as literary source for UEQ and usability testing, and for business implication. This paper offer valuable guidance for transportation companies to enhance their mobile application. Recommendation especially offer insight for KI access and similar apps to elevate the features and user experiences. For future works, for further studies, maybe can embrace various testing methods to get a comprehensive insight building upon the paper for the Indonesia train booking mobile application. And future work for research also can concentrate on specific user segments, such as a new and regular users, and also enabling a deeper understanding of their perspective and refine the accuracy of capturing user experience issues. This expansion align with the research focus on analyzing user experience, providing relevant recommendation. I think that's all my presentation of my research. If you want to have a question and question, please let me know. Thank you.